So I think I was wrong about the neighbors upstairs. I don't think it's a washer. I think it's like either the bed that they used to call like the magic hands that will massage your whole body, like the whole bed be fucking shaking and rocking and gyrating, or it's like a colossal vibrator for the giant that they have up there or something. You know, like the giant Jack and the Beanstalk. Like they gotta have a giant with a vibrator up there, or the Magic Hands bed, because like my whole ceiling is doing the most. Windows, big doing the most. That is crazy to me. Crazy.